Welcome. My name is Marina and I am a data analyst at LS Retail. In this video, we will present to you the Analytics for LS Central Finance Power BI report. Our finance report is a powerful and insights clear and practical tool for you to use to track your business financial health. The finance report is structured into key sections designed to guide users through different layers of financial analysis. Let's understand these key sections. The Finance Overview section provides a high-level summary of key financial metrics such as revenue, expenses, and gross margin. It allows for a general introduction to the company's financial health, offering a snapshot of performance. Essential to finance and accounting analysis is the balance sheet. At this section, we present you with the ability to analyze the company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Here, users can evaluate how efficiently the company generates profit relative to revenue and costs with the Profitability Analysis page, and assess the company's ability to meet short-term obligations with the Liquidity Analysis report page. Another fundamental tool to your business financial health assessment is the income statement. In the section Revenues, Expenses, and Profits over a period are displayed. Revenue and expenses analysis are provided to help you to identify and track income sources and spending patterns. The following Budget Overview section provides the realization of budget plan fulfillment or not, by providing a comparison between plan versus actual financial results over time. Later, in contrast with the previous idealization of future results, we now provide you with the realistic future projections based on the historical data and trends with our Forecast report page. Business relationships are crucial, and we aim at not only supporting but enhancing your business by providing you with a vendor's overview that summarizes these relations. With the vendor's balance report page, we deliver the in-depth assessment of vendor outstanding balances and payment statuses. At the Dataset Items report page, we provide you with the listing of all tables, columns, and measures that compose the semantic model for this report. This became a standard in our reports, ensuring your access to quality data management. Finally, we enable you to interact with your data organically with natural query language at the Ask Your Data report page. Let's now dive and have a look into some of these pages. The introductory finance dashboard offers a clear and concise overview of its financial performance. It highlights key metrics such as total revenue, gross profit margin, and net profit. You can easily compare budget versus revenue, revenue versus expenses, and understand the breakdown for the income components. The Highlights section summarizes notable financial insights, helping you to quickly identify trends and areas requiring attention for strategic decision-making. This finance overview offers a high-level summary of a company's financial performance, combining key metrics like COGS, EBITDA, and gross profit margin with dynamic filters. It features a time series chart to visualize revenue trends across different periods, example current quarter, last month, last year. This page is designed to support strategic financial analysis and decision-making across business segments. In our finance report, we aim at providing you with fundamental finance and accounting tools such as the balance sheet report page we see here. This page is structured around general ledger (GL) accounts across multiple hierarchical levels. It allows filtering by account number or name and displays financial figures for key categories such as total assets, liabilities, and equity. The table compares values across time periods alongside with percentage growth metrics. It is a valuable report for any business, enabling stakeholders to quickly assess financial stability and support strategic decision-making. This Liquidity Analysis report page provides a focused view of a company's ability to meet short-term financial obligations. It highlights free liquidity ratios. The current ratio, that is 1.76, which measures the company's ability to cover short-term liabilities with short-term assets. A ratio above 1 generally indicates good short-term financial health. The quick ratio, here 7.01, excludes inventory from assets, offering a more conservative view of liquidity. A high quick ratio suggests that the company can meet obligations without relying on inventory. Finally, the cash ratio, here 0.56, focuses solely on cash and cash equivalents. While lower than the others, it reflects the company's immediate liquidity. These ratios are visualized over time alongside current assets and liabilities, helping stakeholders assess trends and identify potential liquidity risks or strengths. Available as well to you is the income statement report page. This page offers a detailed comparison of financial performance across different periods, highlighting revenue, expenses, and profitability through clear variance metrics. It's a powerful tool for business to track trends, identify growth opportunities, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. This revenue analysis report page is structured to provide a multidimensional view of revenue performance. It combines time-based analysis through a line chart showing monthly revenue trends, helping identify seasonal patterns or anomalies. Dimensional filtering by region, businesses, groups, and customer group, allowing users to drill down into specific segments. A comparative breakdown via detailed table that tracks revenue across different account types and time frames, example current month, and last quarter, along with percentage growth indicators. The purpose of this report is to support strategic decision-making by offering both high-level trends and granular insights into revenue sources. It enables financial teams to monitor performance, evaluate growth, and identify areas for improvement or investment. The income analysis report page is designed to assess profitability and cost efficiency by visualizing EBITDA trends, revenue, and COGS development, and their correlation. It includes filters for business dimensions and highlights a strong correlation, 0.95, between revenue and COGS, while also revealing outliers that can be further investigated using the time-based revenue and COGS chart. The structure supports deeper financial analysis by linking operational performance with cost behavior and identifying anomalies that may impact margins. An essential finance tool to your business strategy is budgeting. This budget report page visually compares budgeted figures against actual revenue and breaks down budget allocations by account, offering clear insights into financial planning and performance. We also want to enable and empower you with access to a strategic asset for decision-making that allows evaluating and adjusting potential operational outcomes based on data-driven forecasts. This forecast report page uses predictive analytics to visualize future trends with a clear confidence range, helping business anticipate performance and plan proactively. The vendor's balance report page provides a structured overview of payables, focusing on vendor-related financial activity. It summarizes total, closed, and open balances, visualizes vendor-level entry and closure amounts, and includes a detailed table of invoice documents with posting, due date, and close dates. This report supports accounts payable management by tracking payment progress, identifying outstanding liabilities, and highlighting vendor relationships that may require follow-up or reconciliation. This Finance Dataset Items report page documents the structure and logic behind the data used in the report semantic model. It includes a relationship diagram, metadata for dimension tables like company, and definition of calculated measures such as percentage change in revenue, along with their tax formulas. The purpose is to provide transparency and clarity for users working with or maintaining the financial dataset. Finally, the Q&A report page or Ask Your Data page provides an interactive interface where users can type natural language questions to explore financial data. It also provides suggested queries to guide analysis, such as identifying total revenue, EBITDA, or accounts with the highest expenses of budget variances. Don't miss out on all the opportunities and insights that our finance report can provide to your business, and go check it out. All our analytics for LS Central reports and much more is available at LS Retail online help page. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time.